Now we're going to make a Chihuahua, a very, very cute drink named after a very cute dog. We're going to start by putting in our ice. I like to rinse my ice because that keeps it from smelling funky from the freezer. So rinse your ice first and pour it into your glass. And then we're going to take the tequila and we're going to pour that right over the ice. We're going to do 2 ounces of tequila. So here is 1 and 2. Good. And then next, we are going to shake this up. Just like so. We're going to strain this into our rocks glass. And then we're going to fill this the rest of the way with grapefruit juice. Now you can use white grapefruit juice or you can use pink grapefruit juice. Just like that. We're going to add our stirry straw. And this is just like a Greyhound, except that it's made with tequila. And because lime always goes great with tequila, we're going to add lime. There you go. Chihuahua, enjoy.